Wednesday. Today what we're going to be talking about is squares and square roots. If you need help with any technology issues, anything with math, anything with other subjects, anything in general besides school maybe that I can help out with, please let me know and I'll try my best to help you in every way I possibly can. I hope you guys are still staying safe, still doing okay being inside. I know it's a little hard to be inside so long, so please just stay strong, stay safe. Email me here or contact me through Google Classroom, either way, if you need something from me. Today what we're going to do is talk about squares and square roots. Not a super hard concept, but one that is important for the next two lessons for tomorrow and Friday, and something that you will see once again continuously for the rest of your at least academic lives. The goal of today is to review squares and square roots in preparation for tomorrow and Friday, and of course practice them. Please go ahead and make sure you do the Google Forms for each day and get a 100% on all of them, because you should. If you need help, ask. If you don't understand something, ask, but you can edit your responses and get 100%. That's going to be the grades that I put in if you are putting it online. So I will give you, there's also in the classroom this sheet right here, and it kind of goes through squares and square roots, just like what we are going to talk about today. So if this video doesn't help, hopefully this worksheet helps. If either of those doesn't help, then you can contact me and I will provide more resources for you to try and help you all that I can. Squares and square roots, remember, squares, what I'm talking about is going to look something like this: 5 squared. One big misconception that we've seen in the past, seen at the beginning of the year, was that this is 5 times 2, which is just not right. You'll notice that there's not a parenthesis signs like this or 5 times 2. Both of these ones mean 5 times 2, but this one over here does not. This here, 5 squared, means it's 5 2 times, or 5 times 5. 5 to the third would be 5 3 times, or 5 times 5 times 5. 6 squared, same thing, 6 2 times, so 6 times 6, which is equal to 36. And then we also have this symbol right here, which would be the opposite. So square root of 36 is equal to 6. 6 squared is equal to 36. Notice that this goes to this one, and this one goes to this one. It's kind of almost opposite of each other. They kind of go hand in hand. If you look at that worksheet that I gave, it's not necessarily the worksheet, but just something that goes through it, you'll see that squares is multiplying it by itself. 4 squared is just 4 with a 2 on it, which is 4 times 4, or times it by itself twice. The square and square root are opposite. So like the square root of 9 is 3. So the square root of 9 is 3. That is because 3 squared is equal to 9. They just kind of go opposite ways. That's it. If you have questions with that, if you need help with that, please ask. If you look at like the square root of 25, you have to think to yourself, what multiplied by itself will give me 25? And in that case, that is 5. So that's why that is it. 5 squared is equal to 25. So it's just kind of opposite, kind of goes around in a circle, something that we should be able to do. Please make sure you do the Google form, get 100%. I'll add a couple of questions to that, and that is it. If you have questions, email me right here or through Google Classroom. Have a good Wednesday. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to be talking about a new thing, so please come prepared for that. Thank you all.